Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Julia Ruby and I upload once a week covering topics like fashion, beauty tips, and weight loss. For today's video, I wanted to share with you my favorite fall and winter outfits. I don't see too many girls with my body type on here, and I always have trouble finding clothes online that fit just right because of it, so I hope I can be helpful to you girls at home that have a similar body type to mine. Please let me know if you enjoy videos like this one in the comments below, and I'll be sure to make more of them in the future. So let's get right into the video. Alright, so this first outfit is my super comfy, time to get work done outfit. This is what I wear when I go to a coffee shop to get work done on weekends. The tank top is from Free People, which is my absolute favorite tank top. I literally have it in all the colors. The cardigan is from Fashion Q, super comfy, cozy, and the jeans are from Zara. They aren't my most flattering jeans, but they sure are the comfiest, and I love that it's high-waisted and has that fringe look at the top. And I pair this outfit with my white shoes from Nordstrom Rack, Ralph Lauren brand. This second outfit is when I want to stay casual, but want to be a little bit more cute, I guess. These are my favorite jeans from Madewell, and I pair it with the same tank top, and the jacket is from American Eagle, and it is literally the comfiest and coziest thin sweater you will ever find. Since I do have a thicker hourglass figure, I like my jackets to cut at my waist because I find that bigger jackets make me look a little bit bigger. But here's another option of a jacket I love from Zara. It's pretty fluffy, which I tend to stay away from for my body type, but again, since it stops at the waist, it still flatters my body. It has literally become one of my favorite jackets, and it goes with everything. I can even pair this with a dress and it looks super cute. Now this jacket is from I Am Gia, the label, and at first I really didn't like it because it was super stiff, but over time it did get softer, and although it is longer than my liking, the coziness makes up for it. This jacket has saved me from so many cold nights, so I'll risk the unflattering look for the warmth. The only bad side is the zipper is so hard to use because of all the fluff around it. But I honestly don't mind it since it is, again, super cute and super cozy. Next, I love a denim on denim moment. Here's another one of my absolute favorite crop jackets. This jacket is from Levi. I believe I got this from Bloomingdale's. And just to add some abstract, I love pairing this look with a cute scarf and I call it a day. I don't know, but I love how this looks. So this next outfit is again super simple and chic. I love pairing jeans with a big fluffy sweater and tucking it in to complement my curves. So this first sweater is from H&M and it is a semi-turtleneck and super comfortable material. Pair this with another fluffy jacket and you're honestly good to go. For some reason I've been so into pairing the shirt and the jacket by color, so this beige on beige moment I love. But if you're feeling more risky, I would recommend pairing this turtleneck with a black jacket like this one from, I believe, Zara, and thigh-high boots. These ones that I have are from Aldo and I'm obsessed with them. Man, there's something about thigh-high boots that just make me feel so good. Oh, and some Madonna songs. That's definitely probably what I was listening to here. But anyways, this next sweater is another favorite. It's super comfortable and so chic and perfect for Thanksgiving dinner. Just unbutton your pants and you're good to go. You can wear these tucked in or not. They look bomb either way. And this sweater is from Zara again. And in just a little bit, I'm going to show you guys how it looks tucked in, which is how I would prefer wearing this one. Again, just whatever suits your body type. If you're a little bit more slender, then I would definitely wear this out with some nice boots and tights, but I'm not that slender, so I like mine tucked in. This next shirt is what I would wear on a night out, maybe a date night or a girls' night. I love shirts that are tight at the waist and loose in the arms. It's super flattering and makes me feel so freaking confident. I just love this shirt. And if I didn't mention already, this one is from Free People, and they do have the black and white option as well. So you can pair this with jeans and the thigh-high boots, or you can also pair this with a nice skirt. This one is from Blank NYC. I got this at Bloomingdale's a year ago, but I believe they still have this available. So I will link it down below for you guys. This next shirt again is from Zara, but honestly you can get any kind of beige turtleneck shirt and it'll look so chic. I'm just so into neutral turtlenecks or just like any kind of neutral jackets for some reason. It just matches everything. You can make it look so nice, and this is again one of my favorite ones. This next outfit is another very chill and fashionable outfit. The joggers are from a brand called Talentless, which is owned by Scott Disick, and these are actually the men's joggers, and the reason I got these was because one of my favorite YouTubers named Desi Perkins reviewed them and talks about how much nicer men's joggers were compared to women's joggers, and I totally agree. It just sits better, it fits my waist nicer, just more flattering overall. And I paired it here with a turtleneck crop from Tiger Mist and that same denim jacket I wore in the beginning. What a vibe. Alright guys, so that is the final look for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed making this video. If you want to see more videos like this, talking about how I wear my clothes and the styles that I go for to complement my body type, please let me know in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you want more videos from me in the future. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time.